Good day everyone. I'm Fritz Tyron A. Quaresma. I know some students are suffering from depressions, stress, and anxiety. My speech is for them to motivate themselves and not lose hope in any situation. I, Fritz Tyron Quaresma, wants to share my motivational speech. Imagine yourself standing on the edge of the mountain, the wind whipping out your face, the vast expanse of the world stretching out before you. You are filled with a sense of possibility, an eager self to achieve something great. This is the feeling I want you to carry with you, not just today but every day. You are all capable of achieving extraordinary things. You have the talent, the drive, and the potential to make a real difference in the world. But sometimes, we need a little push, a little inspiration to light that fire within. Remember, you are not alone. We are all in this journey together. Support each other, celebrate each other's success, and lift each other up when times get tough. Together, we can achieve anything. So go out there and make your mark on the world. Believe in yourself, never give up, and never stop striving for greatness. The world is waiting for you to shine. You can do it. Remind yourself that nothing is too good to be true. Your great hopes can be realized. Your most wonderful dreams can come true. Everything that you really need, you can have. An incredible goodness is operating in your behalf. Expect great things to happen. Receive God's abundant blessings. Do not think lack. Instead, think of abundance. If you welcome every morning and the special chance it brings to try new paths, to open some new door, to look a little deeper, to reach a little further, to aim a little higher than before. If you strive to fill each moment with some beauty and some purpose, to seek out joys, that means the most of you, then you will welcome each evening. One day richer in contentment, one day closer to the dreams that you pursue. Strive, work hard, and think positive, all things will be okay.